In this last video, we are installing the adjustable hooks onto your system. Now, the type of hooks will be determined by the type of hanger you have chosen. So firstly, you'll need the pre-installed Slimline track and the hangers installed onto your track. Now, it's important to pause the video to check out the maximum weights for the specific combination of hangers and hooks that you've chosen. Also pause here to read the instructions if you're using two hangers and hooks. So firstly, we'll look at the Slimline mini hook. Now, these hooks are suitable to use with all types of Slimline hangers. So to install the mini hook, loosen the screw inside the hook with the Allen key provided. Feed the end of the hanger through the hook body, then slide the hook to the required position and tighten it with the Allen key. Now, the push button hooks are the most convenient as they adjust with just the press of a button, and all the hooks are used in the same manner. Both of the silver hooks are used with the stainless steel cable, and the black push button hook is suitable with the clear line only. So thread the end of the hanger into the hole at the top of the hook, and you press down on the top of the hook and slide it to the required position. Release the button and ensure it's secure. Note that the security hook includes a metal latch that requires the front and back pressure to release to help stop art theft. Now your hooks are in place, you can hang your picture. Adhesive foam pads are placed near the lower corners and can help stabilise the frame, and they can also help protect the wall from scratches. Hang right clips can also be installed behind the frame to help stop the picture from leaning too far forward. So if you need to resize your hangers, you can cut the clear tape and the clear line to size, but don't cut the stainless steel cable as it'll fray. Roll up any extra and hang from the hook behind the picture. And that's it. Your Slimline hanging system is now complete.